Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Buttercup. So Buttercup is one of the Powerpuff Girls, and she's the only one I haven't drawn yet, so I'll show you how to draw her. Let's see, I'm going to start with a great big circle for the head. And then let's do some hair. So we're gonna do a line here, and we can come on up and down and keep going. I'm gonna make this more pointy, like that. All right, so next let's do a line right here and bring it back to there. So it's got a point as well. And over here, we're going to do the same, like that. And let's start with the eyes. So I'm going to do almost like a check mark. And then I'm going to do a circle right there. Well, it's not a full circle, I guess, but a curved line. And right up here, let's do a circle. And I'm going to do a curve like that surrounding the circle. And then another one. I'm going to thicken that up a bit. And over here, we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to do like another kind of check mark. And then we can come on down right here, do a circle, and kind of thicken this one. And then I'm going to surround that with another circle and another one. And now let's give her a smile. Okay, and this first, not this circle, but this one here. I'm going to color that in all black. I'm going to do it to the one on the other side as well. And all right, so let's work on the body. So I'm going to do a little curve like that and a line right there. And we can do an oval. And then I'm going to do a line. And I'm going to do a shape like this. And I'm going to do a line right there, and we can do a U shape, and I can color this in. This is one of our shoes. And I'm going to do another shoe right here. So do a line and U shape and color that in all dark. And now she's got a big, thick black stripe in the middle of her dress. And now she needs some hands. So let's put this one here. It's a funny little shape. And the other one, let's do a shape like that. All right, so we are finished drawing her. I think she turned out really, really cute, but we need to add some color now. So I'm gonna get started with the color. All right, so we are finished drawing Buttercup. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And thank you so much for joining me today. Hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!